Okay, so let's say I'm creating a movie where my main character is Kira and she's this, steampunk type character right here. So I started out by creating a bunch of different versions, and then ultimately I decided that this is the one that I want to go with. The problem is this is a very specific outfit with a very specific look, and it's very difficult to retain all of these little nuanced details and keep them consistent throughout all the different shots and all the different scenes. So here's how to do it. First, I'm going to come over here and switch the tool into the edit panel. Then I'm going to bring my main character image into here. And now at this point, I'm just going to use a very simple prompt and say, turn this character into a character sheet. Now, as always, you can test out the different image models for this, but GPT Image 2 is a pretty good one for this. That's it. I'll click generate. And so after waiting for that, I have a few character sheets here. And as you can see, it's going to show her from multiple angles. It's going to show all of her little accessories and the outfit that she's wearing so that the AI understands very clearly all the little nuances of this character. And so out of these two character sheets, I'm going to go ahead with this one. So I'll bring this one into my quick slot inventory. And now I'll come back over here to my characters tab. And once again, you can navigate through your characters by clicking this, and you can open up any of your characters. In this case, I've already got Kira opened up right here. And so for this particular movie, I'm going to create a new look by clicking on card 2. And so for the portrait slot, I'll drop this one here. For the full body slot, I'll drop in the full character sheet. And for the close-up, I'm actually just going to pop open my media library, come into my Kira folder, and I'm just going to grab this close-up of her face. And now I can jump back into the character panel, and I can go ahead and just drop this one for the close-up. For the description, I just put a steampunk adventurer with dark red tipped hair, bright blue eyes, brass goggles, and leather outfit. That's it. Let's save it. Okay, so now if I jump back into the create panel and I come to my Kira character, I can go to this drop down, and now I can select look number 2 because that's the steampunk version of her. And now every time I generate a picture of her, it's going to have a much easier time keeping her consistent. Just to test it out, I'm saying a woman in the forest. And then I'll try one that says a woman in the snowy mountains. And now I'm saying a woman in a hotel lobby. Okay, so here she is in the forest. Here she is in the snowy mountains. Here she is in a hotel lobby. And so as we can see, her outfit and her accessories and her everything is consistent in each scene and situation. Just for fun, let's try a prompt that's a little more complicated. I'll say a woman in a vast desert. She's riding on the back of a giant white leopard. Photorealistic cinematic. Let's see how it handles that. Okay, so after waiting for that, let's see what we got. And honestly, this is a really impressive image. The outfit is super consistent. All of the details, all of the accessories are perfect. It followed the prompt and gave me exactly what I was asking for. Very, very impressive there. Here is the second image. And once again, it did a very good job here with the outfit, all of the details, all of the accessories. And so that is how you can keep your character consistent across multiple shots.